Hello everyone, I'm Jenny. Welcome to Shengen in Dongguan. Today we will take you on a tour of our powder coating production line. Come with me. Where raw parts are transformed into durable, beautiful, ready-to-deliver products, everything starts with a finished sheet metal part, but before we call it complete, there's one more layer literally that makes it resistant to scratches, rust, and wear, powder coating. We begin with surface preparation. Each part goes through a multi-stage cleaning process to remove oils, dust, and microscopic residues. Why? Because perfect adhesion needs a perfect surface. Think of it as skincare for metal cleansing before applying a protective coat. Next, the parts are dried in a temperature-controlled chamber. Our team inspects them for any surface flaws. At Shengen, we don't let defects sneak through, not even tiny ones. That's a promise built on 10 years of experience. Now comes the magic, the powder coating itself. Using electrostatic technology, finely ground powder is sprayed onto the part. It sticks like a magnet. No drips, no solvents, just an even, clean, and eco-friendly finish. Then it's into the curing oven. We heat the parts to just the right temperature, no more, no less. The powder melts, flows, and hardens into a resilient shell. Once approved, it's off to the packing zone. Every part is wrapped to prevent scratches and labeled for traceability. From here, they're shipped across China and beyond to customers who trust us to get it right the first time. To some, it's just a coated part. To us, it's a promise of durability, reliability, and craftsmanship. Every component that passes through our powder coating line carries the hands, the eyes, and the commitment of our team. From the engineers who fine-tuned the coating parameters, to the operators who inspect every detail, we stand behind every piece we ship. Need precision powder coating for your next project? You can visit our website or contact our team to get a customized quote. Thank you for watching. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to get more insights into precision manufacturing. See you in the next video.